So what we're doing today, yesterday we removed all the big hoses from the AC unit and stuff.
Hey guys, if you haven't seen our last video where we removed the ACs from our Skoolie, you should go check it out. We'll link it down in the description.
We removed all the big hoses from the AC unit and stuff, and now all that's left is right here, the cable cords. We're gonna track them up there. We're gonna remove the console that's on the driver's seat right here. We gotta remove all that, right, Drew? Excuse me. Remove all these so we'll see where those cords are going and finally get rid of them. So we found all these 4 cords that were going to the AC units that we just removed. We tracked them down and they were going up into this electrical mess right here. So we're just gonna track them down and cut them as short as we can so we just get rid of them. There's this cable that we don't know what it does, so we're not gonna mess with that right now. And we found another heater in the bus, which we need a loop or something. And right here there's some zip ties. We're gonna track it all down. Like I said, we're gonna cut it down so we can finally get rid of those cables and keep working on the bus. Alright, so what I did is these two were together with screws and everything. And what I did is I unscrewed them from here and I left the screws from here so I could pull this out so we can pull the plywood. You could pull the plywood from underneath them. And then I wasn't sure what to do with these cables right here, but since we took the heater out of here, I assumed this was part of the heater system, whatever. And then I tracked this down just to make sure. I tracked these cables down, and they come all the way to the back, to right here, the main heater nozzle. So it's obviously part of the heater. So we're just gonna cut these cables so we can remove this, remove the plywood, and then get started on the rusty floors. So yeah, let's do that right now. Without further ado. And there we go. Start ripping off the floor here. If you want to see us ripping off the floors, make sure to check that video. We will link in the description as well. I've never grinded rust before, so let's just try it out right now. See how it goes. Okay. I'm back, bro.
Take a break, have some water.
Oh my god.
How do you feel?
Tired. My back. You should probably do this too with me. No,
No, I don't think so.
Just try it right here. Just try to take this rust off. way more work than I thought it would be. I don't know if you can tell difference between over there and over here. That part's already grinded. Well, obviously the chunks of rust are already grinded. I made it smooth so that we can apply the OSFO. OSFO is a treatment for oxide, and it prevents it from getting rusted and stuff like that. And Amber just went to go get it. She's like 30 minutes away from here because we couldn't find a closer place to get it at. And yeah, gotta keep going. I got 4 panels down out of like 12 there is, so I'm only 1/4 of the way done. Oh my god.
I finally found OSPOS. The stuff for the rust on the bottom of the bus. That was a little rhyme. But I finally found it, and it was super hard to find. I went to Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart. They all said they had it in stores, but it lied. It's not at any of these. I called other places. I finally found this one store on the island that sold it, and I'm here about to pick it up. I got the OSPOS! Thank goodness. This thing was hard to find. I also got some paint stuff to help put it on. Hopefully that'll work.
Right here. So as we were grinding the floors over here, all of these, if you can tell the difference from this side and that side, we actually came up with a little step back, or whatever you want to call it. These bolts are actually bolted to the fans underneath the boss, which were part of the AC unit. So what I'm going to do is with the grinder, I'm going to cut these bolts off so they just fall right through. And well, we'll just show you what they look like. These are the fans that I was talking to you about. They used to power the AC unit. Alright guys, so as we were editing the video, I noticed that I don't know what the f I'm talking about. Those things don't power the AC unit. Those fans, I don't know what they do. I know that they're connected to the AC unit, but I don't know what they do, to be honest with you. If you do know, please comment down below. I would really like to know. So let's go back up there.
Ow, that one hurts. Ow!
Alright. Now try to kick this right here. See if it comes down. Yo! There we go. Bingo!
A few moments later.
They're not shaky, but like they feel like numb, I don't know, because of that machine.
Let's go wash our face and your hands, and let's eat lunch.
And then a shower and a beer.
Okay.
I am done grinding and I am absolutely exhausted.
Wonderful!
Took me all freaking day. My back is hurting bad. I just want to go take a shower and go to bed for today. I feel like I'm gonna die or something. Alrighty guys, that was it for today. Next week we're gonna be applying the OSPOs that Amber spent so much time trying to find. And we're also gonna apply the first layer of primer. If you want to see that, hit the notification bell and subscribe so you can be notified when we post that video. See ya!